Hi, this is a training video on Teams. Once your company gave you a Microsoft account and download it, you will see this, and you'll be able to contact everyone that has Teams throughout the company. And it's just like a texting app, if you want to describe it like that. And there's a bunch of features. This is my currently one at NTC, and on Teams on the left-hand side, you got whole bunch of different department groups that you're located in. For my example, I'm at the help desk. I got that, and then the IT department, I have that too. And in each different in the teams, there's only a few certain people that are in that group. So then you can communicate throughout the group if there's an important message that you want to get out to everyone. It's a great way to do that. Uh, in the chat tab on the left hand side, you're able to teams, um, individuals, your coworkers and stuff if you have to get a hold of them. It's just a great way to talk to people, like nice live chat. And then up here on the top, there's a new chat, and if you click that, you can um, search the people that work there. And for example, Ruth, I can message her right on Teams, just like that. And you just click on her name, you can start typing. And if you don't, you can just backspace and you don't have to message them. But it's just a great way to communicate to people. You got meetings on the left hand side. You can schedule a meeting so you have reminders, files that you're able to save and you can look at, uh, assignments. You need a class to start using assignments, so teachers are in this part of the teams. For example, for being just a IT help desk person, I don't need to be able to work on it, so I don't have access to it. And then up here you can search for commands. You can /, you can set your availability, your status to see if you're available, away, busy, all that great information so other people know what's going on. And another one you got news, places, stocks, weather. You can all go to that to check it out. And overall, Teams is a really nice application to use at your company because it's just a great way to communicate to your employees, nice and quick and easy way. So if you have any questions, just look in the outline and call us and we'll be able to help you.